You wish to minimize the downtimes of your robot systems due to programming to a minimum? Then rely on RoboPlan, the offline programming system by CLOOS. While the robot system welds, you create the subsequent programs via RoboPlan. So you reduce the programming time considerably and increase the efficiency of your robot system. Because of the offline collision detection, you benefit from an uninterrupted program execution at the robot system. Due to the access to existing welding process data, there is less expenditure for optimizations of the welding parameters at the robot system. The automated point generation at the workpiece edges accelerates the provision of programs for workpieces with complex contours. While the robot system welds, you already program the next workpiece with a small batch size. As you can use already programmed segments, you are able to program the subsequent programs faster. The process data library allows quick program creation with direct access to the welding parameters. Due to the archiving, you have optimized program data for subsequent programs at your disposal. While the robot system welds, you already plan the subsequent orders. The cycle and program time determination enables you to plan the production comprehensively. By means of the production cost calculation, you check whether the workpiece can be economically produced with the system. While the robot system welds, you support the construction of robot-friendly workpieces. Due to the automation-friendly product development, you avoid costs and expenditure for the tests of the workpieces and the tool's suitability. By means of the feasibility analysis, you quickly check whether the workpiece can be processed by the robot system. Use your robot system for that what it is designed for: welding. With RoboPlan, you reduce the programming time by up to 90%.